and there is no tension on my hairline. That is what I love about this method. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. All right, you guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing a simple tip for styling high puffs. The verse of the day comes from Matthew 5:16. Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. So the focus of this video isn't going to be to teach you how to do a high puff, but if someone is watching and doesn't know how, leave a comment and I can do a separate video on that. If you watched my intro video, I was explaining that I am on a journey to achieving healthy hair. My plan to do that is to focus on low tension hairstyles. For me, a high puff is one of my go-to hairstyles. I love to do it when I'm in between wash days, but I had to stop wearing them for a while because of the way I was styling my hair. As I was pulling the band up, to set the puff, I would feel pieces of my hairline being snagged. Basically my edges being snatched. So I stopped wearing the puff for a while until about a month ago, where I tried this method that I'm going to show you in today's video. All right. Hair's stretched. So I'm gonna just mist my hair with a little bit of water, just a little bit for now. All right, so I'm gonna take my rat tail comb, and I'm going to take out the front section, not a large section. I'm parting a little bit above my ear. Hopefully that's better. I went and got my studio light. Thought I didn't need it, but as I'm filming, yeah, it's looking kind of dark. Okay, I've parted my hair from ear to ear. It's not a large part though. It's not a large leave out. So now that I have the front section twisted up and tucked away, next I'm going to style the puff. All right, for my puff, I use this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed gel. I like it. It doesn't flake and it doesn't make my hair super hard. So I do like that about this product. And then I'm just gonna take my brush and brush it up. Next, I'll take my tie and pull it up. Once I get it to the position that I want it in, I will tuck the ends. All right, so I'm gonna take out the leave out. Mix it with a little water. Just a little gel, not too much. Brush it up. But now I'm going to secure it in place with bobby pins. It's probably gonna use about 6 bobby pins. So I have fine hair, but the front area, the front section there, as you can see, is a little sparse and thin. But I'm hoping that by the end of the year, I'll see some progress in this area. Do you see? You can't see the bobby pins. The bobby pins are concealed and there is no tension on my hairline. That is what I love about this method. Pick just to kind of get my puff stretched out a little bit more. Okay, so for my hairline, it's struggling, but I'm working to grow it back. I'm just gonna use some of this Indian hemp grease. I don't need my edges to be all laid down and all of that. So I'm just gonna brush this up with the grease. I'll put a little bit more gel, and then I'm gonna put my scarf on and let it set. I'm just gonna tie this down now, just to set it. All right, let's take this off. All right, so here is the final look. This is well, all right, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Or you can simply share this video with someone that may benefit from it. If you're interested in styling your natural hair in a protective style, go ahead and check out these videos right here. And if you'd like to connect with me, you can send an email to naturallyjanai@gmail.com. My plan is to upload videos on Saturdays, so I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye. I am learning to love my natural hair at every stage of the journey. How's your natural hair journey going?